When did China start the civil services examination? And the answer is 6 AD. Who was the first Khalifa? And the answer is Abu Bakr. In which country is Karbala, the holy city of Shia Muslim, located? Answer is Iraq. Independence movement of Vietnam was headed by? Answer is Ho Chi Minh. Japan's parliament is known as? Answer is Diet. The currency of Thailand is? Answer is Baht. 1911 revolution of China resulted in? Answer is establishment of a republic. The world's oldest continuously inhabited city is? Answer is Damascus. The Wailing Wall is situated in? Answer is Jerusalem. Which of the following is not a religion developed in ancient time in BC? Answer is Islam. The world's first drainage system was built by the people of? Answer is Indus Valley Civilization. The capital of Pakistan till 1959 was? Answer is Karachi. Peking is sacred place of? Answer is Confucianism. On which side did Japan fight in the First World War? Answer is with United Kingdom against Germany. Indonesia was a colony of which of the following countries? Answer is Dutch. The Great Wall of China was built by? Answer is Shi Huangdi. The Crimean War in 1854-1856 was fought between? Answer is Russia and Turkey. Bangladesh was created in? And answer is 1971. During the reign of which dynasty was the Great Wall of China constructed? Answer is Qin dynasty. Which two countries were involved in a 100-year war? Answer is England and France. Waterloo is located in? Answer is Belgium. Who is known as Lady with the Lamp? Answer is Florence Nightingale. Anti-Semitism to Adolf Hitler meant? Answer is anti-Jewish policy. In Greek mythology, Apollo is the god of what? Answer is prophecy. Who is Duchess of Cornwall? Answer is Camilla. The ideology of fascism developed in? Answer is Italy. Who among the following is referred to as Desert Fox? Answer is General Rommel. The United Kingdom is a classic example of? Answer is constitutional monarchy. With the fall of which among the following the French Revolution began? Answer is Bastille. The island of Corsica is associated with? The answer is Napoleon Bonaparte. Where did the practice of shadow cabinet originate? Answer is Great Britain. Liberty, equality and fraternity is the call associated with? Answer is French Revolution. Hitler became the Chancellor of Germany in? The answer is 1933. Name the country where first industrial revolution took place, and the answer is Great Britain. The Opium Wars were fought between? The answer is Britain and China. Who was the first Prime Minister of England? And the answer is Robert Walpole. The British Conservative Party was earlier known as? And the answer is Tories. Karl Marx lived in exile and wrote from? And the answer is London. Alexander the Great died in 323 BC in? Answer is Babylon. Which slogan was given by the French Revolution to the world? And the answer is Liberty, Equality, Fraternity. Who is the oldest British monarch to sit on the throne? And the answer is Queen Elizabeth II. From which city did Russian Revolution begin? And the answer is St. Petersburg. According to Marx, the source of value is? And the answer is labor. The word impossible is found in the Dictionary of Fools was the famous quote of, and the answer is Napoleon. Which of the following country is regarded as the home of Fabian socialism? And the answer is England. Who amongst the following was not associated with unification of Italy? And the answer is Mussolini. Who discovered the sea route to India? And the answer is Vasco da Gama. Potato was introduced to Europe by, and the answer is Spanish people. Napoleon got finally overthrown in the Battle of Waterloo in the year, answer is 1815. The Declaration of Rights of Man is related with, and the answer is the French Revolution. Pablo Picasso, the famous painter, was, and the answer is Spanish. 1970 is known for, and the answer is Russian Revolution. What is Reformation? And the answer is the revolt against authority of Pope. The national emblem of Italy is, and the answer is white lily. Who advocated Nazism in Germany? And the answer is Adolf Hitler. The fall of Basel is associated with, and the answer is French Revolution of 1789. Greek viewed politics on the basis of, and the answer is ethical terms. French Revolution broke out in the year of, and the answer is 1789. Where was Pablo Picasso from? And the answer is Spain. The American Civil War saw the end of, and the answer is slavery. In USA, the president is elected by, and the answer is Universal Adult Franchise. Who was the chief architect of the World Trade Center, New York? And the answer is Minoru Yamasaki. Pearl Harbor, an American naval and air force base, was attacked by, and the answer is Japan. Who discovered America? And the answer is Columbus. The Declaration of American Independence was based on the theory of, and the answer is natural rights. Two-party system is found in, and the answer is USA. Which of the following is a wonder of the ancient world? And the answer is Statue of Jupiter at Olympia. Which of the following is a name of US Parliament? And the answer is Congress. Which one of the following country was first to establish a modern democracy? And the answer is America. Who was popularly known as Africa's Gandhi? And the answer is Nelson Mandela. Who discovered Cape of Good Hope in 1488? And the answer is Bartholomew Diaz. Who were the Axis powers in World War II? And the answer is Germany, Italy, Japan. The Second World War started in the year, and the answer is 1939. The first atomic bomb was thrown over, and the answer is Hiroshima. In which cities of Japan were atomic bombs dropped during World War II? And the answer is Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The first atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima on, and the answer is 6th August 1945. Who is called the greatest investigator of antiquity? And the answer is Darwin. Herodotus is considered as the father of, and the answer is history. What was the original name of Santa Claus? And the answer is Saint Nicholas. Who said the man by nature is a political animal? And the answer is Aristotle. The state is a necessary evil according to, and the answer is Liberalis. The famous painting Mona Lisa was the creation of, and the answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Who has given a call, go back to nature? And the answer is Rousseau. Marco Polo is known for, and the answer is traveling to China, India, and Asia. Cold War refers to, and the answer is tension between East and West. From which language has the term democracy been derived? And the answer is Greek. Who said liberty consists in obedience to the general will? And the answer is Rousseau. Who said where there is no law, there is no freedom? And the answer is Locke. Who said man is a social animal? And the answer is Aristotle. Who said that where there is no law, there will not be liberty? Answer is John Locke. Who speaks of cabinet system as the steering wheel of ship of state? And the answer is Muir. The Last Supper, a famous Renaissance painting, was a masterpiece of, and the answer is Leonardo da Vinci. What, according to communism, is the chief enemy of society? And the answer is private property. Democracy is a government in which everyone has a share, was the opinion of, and the answer is Saleh. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, बेल आइकन ज़रूर दबा लें. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.